everybody, it's Friday. So it's another work day and not much to do today. Bit of admin, and then I've got an appointment this afternoon, and then I finished work. So as soon as I've finished, I've got my appointments in Nelson. So as soon as I've finished, I'll be driving from Nelson to Chester, and I'm just going to pop over and see my mum very briefly, and I'm coming back tomorrow evening. So just an overnight jobby really, just to say hi. And we're going to the zoo tomorrow, so I might get some footage. I don't know, I'll see. So yeah, that should be fun. And probably just trying to get everything done on Sunday. All my usual Sunday jobs and my food prep and all of that. Weight's still looking good. I don't know if I'm going to see a loss on Sunday. I'm not too hopeful, to be honest, because I'm holding a lot of water again at the moment. My ankles are really, really swollen. Not sure why. I do need to look at my blood pressure tablets. I've not done my blood pressure for a while actually. So I think next week I'm going to do a week of readings for my GP and just see if these medications I'm on are really necessary, you know. I'm just going to see. Because if I don't need to be on them, I would rather not be on them, you know. So, yeah, I'm just going to get on with my work now, and I will see you in a bit. Hey everybody, it's me. So I'm just setting off to my work appointment now. Had my lunch. It was very good. Just like boiled eggs and a bit of mayonnaise, but it was nice. And then when I've done with that work appointment, I'm driving to Chester. Very exciting. I've not heard anything about the job. So I would assume that I've not got it because they were talking about a 23rd of Feb start date, which is Monday. So I would imagine that I would have heard by now. Never mind, something else will come up. You know, even if it's a little cleaning job or something, anything really, just to get a little bit more money coming in. You know, it doesn't have to be anything spectacular. I'm not afraid of getting my hands dirty, you know what I mean? Had more mortgage hoo-has to sort out today, so thank God I keep all our important paperwork. The house is currently being valued, so that's another bit, because obviously if there's a disagreement between what the mortgage company think the house is worth and the seller, then we've got a bit of a problem. But I don't think there will be with this, because I think it's a really good price. Anyway guys, I will see you in a bit. Hey guys, it's me. So I've just realised I've not filmed an update for ages. It took me about 2 hours to get here in the end, because there were multiple collisions all along the route that I took, and Google Maps just decided no, we're still going to go that way, and yeah, that's the way it took me. So it was an interesting journey. It didn't feel that long though. Anyway, I've been good with the eating today, and yeah, appetite is I'm still getting the suppression, so that's good. All good really. So tomorrow I'm going to the gym first thing, because I want to make sure that I go despite being away from home, just so that I don't have to go on Sunday morning, because I've got a lot to do on Sunday. So I'm actually travelling back home tomorrow evening, aiming to be back home for about 7ish. We're getting an Asda order delivered this time, because obviously I'm away, and just makes it easier for everyone. The oven has been delivered. Yay! And installed. Jay said they took about 15 minutes to fit it all and set it up. So yeah, all sorted with that. So on Sunday, when I do my batch cooking, I'll have a nice working oven. So that will be good. So yeah, I'm in the gym first thing in the morning, and then we're going to the zoo like mid to late morning, I think, because the weather's going to be rubbish later on in the day. So yeah, we're going to make it an early-ish one. So guys, I will see you tomorrow. Morning everyone. Oh, it's a bit dark, isn't it? So it's just gone 6:30. Oh, more like 7:15 now. So I'm just off to the gym in town. It's a lovely gym, that one, in the town centre. So yeah, going there and then coming back, getting ready, and then we're doing the zoo. So it should be a good day. I've not eaten anything yet. I mean, I don't tend to eat first thing in the morning anyway, but I think your mind works differently, doesn't it, when you're away, when it comes to food? Well, mine does anyway. But normally I wouldn't be eating anything right now, not until like early lunchtime or like late morning. So yeah. Anyway guys, I will see you in a bit.
I'm out of reasons, I'm out of rhyme, but I'll only tell you that I'm out of time. I'm sick of love songs, I'm tired of this, and I wanna tell you straight just like it is. You're watching me like you want me, but you're still holding back, still holding back. Honestly, you're annoying me with the way that you keep playing. Show me your love like it is, like it is. Bend open my heart like you're fearless. Steal all the gold you can get, you can get. Show me your love, leave me breathless, breathless. I'm out of patience, I'm out of feels, but I guess I'm waiting around for something real. I'm going crazy, like what's the deal? 'Cause I want you to show me what you feel. You're watching me like you want me, but you're still holding back, still holding back. Honestly, you're annoying me with the way that you keep playing. Show me your love like it is, like it is. Bend open my heart like you're fearless. Steal all the gold you can get, you can get. Show me your love, leave me breathless, breathless. Show me your love like it is, like it is. Bend open my heart like you're fearless. Steal all the gold you can get, you can get. Show me your love, leave me breathless, breathless.
Hey everybody, it's me. So I'm back home and it's been a long day, but it's been very nice. So we did the zoo and I got to see my sister and my niece, and yeah, it's been great. And obviously I got to see my mum and my stepdad, Obs, because I was staying there, and it was lovely. It was very like flying visit type thing, but yeah, it was very nice to catch up with them because we haven't seen each other for ages because we're all just so busy with housey things. My sister's knocking her house to bits at the minute and renovating it all. My mum and my stepdad are doing their house up because they're selling up and moving on, and yeah, and then we're buying a house. It's all going on. So I've had my shower and I've done my hair and everything, and I'm just chilling out now. So, like I said, we're having takeaway night tonight because I was away last night, so we decided to save it for tonight instead. So I think we're gonna order some like chicken burgers and stuff like that. So I don't know what I'm gonna have, but I'm actually quite hungry, to be honest. I had my Pokeball for lunch, and I think that's all I've had really. Oh no, me and my sister shared what's it called? Like a Biscoff slice. I couldn't find it in the app, obviously, because it was at the Zoo Cafe, and it's all like made on site, isn't it? All that kind of stuff. So yeah, I had a black coffee with one of them Biscoff slice things. But like I say, me and my sister split it between us because we were both looking at the calories of everything, and we were like, it's like we really wanted something, but we didn't want to go too mad with the calories, so it worked out nice. That. Oh my god, I've just realised. I got the lads a donut each, and I've left them in the car. They had these crazy mango, I want to say mango rice pudding, but that's not right. Mango cheesecake donuts. And I thought the lads absolutely love donuts. I don't like them. I don't know what it is, but I just can't eat donuts. And I thought I cannot leave this cafe without buying them for him. Oh, I'll have to get him to go out to the car and get them. Oh, bugger. Yeah, so anyway, like I say, I've not gone crazy today with the eating, so yeah, that's probably why I'm quite hungry now. But I'll probably get like a little chicken burger or something. I don't know. And obviously, logging it in the app is a bit of a pain in the arse because it's like, not actually a thing in the app. So I'll have to find like the nearest thing to it and just log it as that and do it like that. But yeah, like I said the other day, I don't think I'm going to see any significant loss this week. I don't know what it is, but the past few days I've been really swollen. Like in my ankles, like retaining loads of water, but I'm suspecting that it might be to do with my blood pressure medication, because that can make me swell. And I'm wondering if it's actually necessary for me to be on it anymore. Because when I was originally put on all that, I was a lot bigger. I've always been prone to high blood pressure. Don't know why. I think even at lower weights in the past, I've been, I've always kind of been in the higher end of any readings that I've had done. But I would like to be able to come off that medication if I can. So yeah, I'm going to do a load of readings this coming week. In fact, I need to set me reminders for that so I don't forget to do it. I'll do it like morning and night and just see what the readings come out as. And if they are looking like significantly lower, then I'll ask my GP if she can review it for me. So yeah. Anyway, I'm going to stop yapping before I forget to ask Jay to go and get them donuts out the car. Oh god. Anyway, that's the end of this vlog, guys. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Goodbye.